Hello everyone, myself Ashish Beg, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today we will see the first lecture of Fluid Mechanics 1. This subject is from third year, fifth semester. In this lecture we will see the introduction of fluid mechanics and properties of fluid, and we will solve some numerical on the same. As in the part of introduction, fluid mechanics is that branch of science which deals with the behavior of fluid in rest as well as in motion, and thus this branch deals with three classification: fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics. Now what is meant by the fluid statics? Fluid statics is that branch of fluid mechanics which deals with the study of fluid at rest, where fluid kinematics is that branch of fluid mechanics which deals with the study of fluid in motion where pressure forces are not considered. But in case of fluid dynamics, it is that branch of fluid mechanics that deals with the study of fluid in motion where pressure forces are considered. And thus the whole syllabus of this fluid mechanics 1 is on basis of all these three classifications. Now moving with the properties of fluid. So very first property is density, which is also called as mass density. Here in the definition of mass density, the term is mass is related to its property, and it is defined as the ratio of mass of the fluid to its volume. It is mathematically written as mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid, and the unit is kg per meter cube. Mass density is denoted as symbol rho. Density of liquid may be considered as constant, while that of gases changes with variation of temperature and the pressure. Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. If suppose we have to define this 1000 kg per meter cube, if we prepare a cube of 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter and fill the water in it, the weight of the water will be 1000 kg. That is the standard mass density of the water. Move to the second class property, that is specific weight. It is also called as weight density. Weight density is defined as the ratio of weight of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. Mathematically it is written as W equals to weight of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. Weight of the fluid is nothing but the mass of the fluid into acceleration due to gravity. If we separate this mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid, it is nothing but the mass density, and hence weight density equals to rho into g. If we simplify this, if we have to determine the specific weight of the water, we have to just multiply it with 9.81 into 1000. We are getting the weight density of the fluid in Newton per meter cube. Now move to the third property, that is specific volume. Specific volume is the ratio of volume of the fluid to the mass of the fluid. If you see the first property, that is mass density, you will find that is the ratio of mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. And in case of specific volume, this is the ratio of volume of the fluid to the mass of the fluid, and hence we can define it as it is a reciprocal of mass density, and it is expressed in meter cube per kg, and mathematically it is written as specific volume equals to volume of the fluid to the mass of the fluid, and it is nothing but 1 upon mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid, and hence 1 by rho, that is the reciprocal of the mass density. It is commonly applied to the gases also. Now moving towards the fourth property, that is specific gravity. Specific gravity of liquid is the ratio of weight density or mass density of given liquid to the weight density or mass density of the standard fluid. Now standard fluid is divided into two, that is first one is liquid and second one is gases. If you compare, if you see regarding liquid, the standard fluid is water, and in case of gases the standard fluid is air, and mathematically it is written as S equals to weight density or density of given liquid to the weight density or density of water in case of liquid. And in case of gases, it is the ratio of weight density or density of given gas to the weight density or density of air. If you have to determine the weight density of any liquid, that is equals to the specific weight to the weight density of water into 9.81. You are getting the weight density in Newton per meter cube. For example, you can take it as the mercury specific gravity is 13.6. If you have to determine the density of mercury, it is 13.6 into 1000 kg per meter cube. And if you have to determine the weight density of mercury, then you have to simply multiply it by 9.81. You are getting the weight density of mercury in Newton per meter cube. Now here are some solved numerical of the same properties. The very first numerical is calculate specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of liquid which weighs 7 Newton. So two given data are given, that is volume in 1 liter and weight in 7 Newton. So we have to convert this liter into meter cube by dividing 1000. So volume you are getting is 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter cube and weight is 7 Newton. So for determining the specific weight is nothing but the weight of the liquid to the volume of the liquid, and both the things are given in the numerical itself. So it is the ratio of 7 divided by 10 into minus 3, 10 raised to the power minus 3. So you are getting the specific weight equals to 7 into 10 raised to the power 3 Newton per meter cube. So second property is density we have to determine. So density is equals to the mass of the fluid to the volume of the fluid. So but specific weight, from this we have to determine the specific weight equals to density into acceleration due to gravity. So rho is nothing but rho equals to specific weight divided by acceleration due to gravity. So from this equation we can determine the mass density equals to 7 into 10 raised to the power 3 divided by 9.81. We are getting 713.5 kg per meter cube as mass density. The third property is specific gravity, that is the ratio of density of given liquid to the density of water. We know the density of water is 1000, so simply divide this by 1000. 713.5 divided by 1000, we are getting the specific gravity as 0.7135. Now move to the another problem, that is calculate density, specific weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. Here in numerical, specific gravity and the volume of petrol is given. We have to determine the density, specific weight and the weight. Now the very first, density of petrol is equals to specific gravity of petrol into density of water. So we are getting the density of petrol as 700 kg per meter cube. Now specific weight of the petrol is mass density into acceleration due to gravity. So we are getting it as 6867 Newton per meter cube. Now we have to calculate the specific weight of the petrol is equals to weight of the petrol to the volume of the petrol. Thus weight of the petrol is equals to the specific weight of the petrol into volume of petrol. So we are getting weight of the petrol as 6.867 Newton. Now the last numerical is we have to determine as 1 liter of crude oil is given of weighs 9.61 Newton. We have to calculate the specific weight, density, specific gravity. Now here volume and weight of crude oil is given. Volume is 1 liter, we have to convert it in meter cube, so 10 raised to the power minus 3, and weight is 9.61. From this we have to determine specific weight, density and specific gravity. So very first, specific weight of the crude oil is equals to weight of the crude oil divided by volume of the crude oil. Both the things are given in the numerical itself, so it is equals to 9600 Newton per meter cube. Now the second property we have to determine is density of crude oil. Weight equals to density into acceleration due to gravity. Thus density equals to weight divided by acceleration due to gravity, and we are getting the density as 978.59 kg per meter cube. Now the last property we have to determine is specific gravity of crude oil. Now specific gravity of crude oil is equals to density of crude oil divided by density of water, and we are getting the density specific gravity of crude oil is 0.978. As specific gravity has the ratio of the same property, it has no unit. Now in today's class we have studied about the introduction of the fluid mechanics, which is classified into three: fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics, and we have seen four properties like mass density, weight density, specific volume and specific gravity, and on which basis we have solved three numerical. Thank you very much.